Hey guys, welcome to part 7 of my tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about messages and timer. So what is a message? A message is a signal broadcasted by one sprite that can be received by any other sprite, including itself, as an event. So what does that mean? Let's say that we have a script like so. So when flag clicked, it will broadcast message 1. And this is not like it's saying anything or showing anything on the screen, but it is silently broadcasting this message, and now this cat can receive it. So when it receives this message, it can start some. And this is broadcasted, this meow is by the second cat. Okay, so let's say that we want to make a forever loop without actually using forever. So we can actually use this clever trick using broadcast. Like so. So one message will broadcast another message, and that other message will broadcast the first message. Okay, that was... Whoops! Wow, that was embarrassing. Okay. Okay, so play Sam. Yeah. Wait, it starts from this. I don't know where... It starts from the second, then the first. Yeah, so that's what it sounds like. Doesn't sound nice at all. Oh, look at this. Change pitch effect. Let's just do that. Oh. And yeah, you can change the volume. Oh, that's not, that's, I just set it to like, whoops. That is much better. Okay. So that's what messages are. You can even receive a message from the same sprite. So like when I receive message 1, next costume or something. Now what is a timer? Let me just get rid of these. So you can see this timer over here. So when I click the flag, it resets. And there's even a reset timer block. And even if you stop the project, it will still keep running. And it's just basically a timer. So this can be useful for, say, even after you click the stop button, the project keeps running, or something happens when you click the stop button. So how can we do this? Let's say when flag clicked, it will set a variable to timer. But we can actually set it to timer plus, say, 0.001. I don't think this is needed, but let's just see, just to be safe. So it'll set this to timer plus 0.001. So that means that my variable will always be greater than timer. But if timer becomes greater than my variable, that means the project's a stop, because it will not set variables. Like when you set something in a when flag clicked, so the script will stop when the stop button is clicked, but these when events, they won't be stopped. So when timer is greater, and the timer won't stop when you when you stop it, that means that the timer is running. That means timer has surpassed my variable. Then let's say play sound meow. I don't know what's happening. Oh, okay. I don't know if you heard that. Let's set volume to 100. Oh. Okay. So currently my variable is timer plus 0.001. When we stop it, that happens. And I think by theory it should work like this as well. Okay, so that worked, and I hope you could hear me. If you couldn't hear me, then I don't know, maybe you should turn your volume up or something. Okay, so that's all. I will be re-uploading all the videos because they weren't really that good, and this is actually a re-upload of part 7. The problem with the first one was that it only recorded one frame, so you couldn't really see what I was doing, and I said part 6 instead of part 7. And all the other parts weren't really that great, so I'm gonna re-upload those too. And the giveaway, many people have participated, and I really like to see my Twitter followers and my subscribers grow, so that's pretty cool. I actually reached 30 subscribers today, so maybe I'll upload a special. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and share it with your friends so that they can also learn something. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my next video, and bye!